How to sort something on Google Sheets. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sort something on the Google Sheets. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open the Google Sheet on your device. After opening the Google Sheet, just tap on any document that you want to sort out. Now after this, you want to sort out something, then just choose a box, write equals to and write sort, go bracket, and it says range column in ascending or descending order. So what we will do now is we will just select the range that we want to sort. After this, we will tap on the very after comma, we will just choose 1. And if you want it in ascending order, then we will choose true. If you want it in descending order, then we will choose false. Let's choose true here. Now close the bracket and we are done. Now you can see that we have done it in the ascending order. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.